Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with massive Apple news. The EU is about to greenlight Apple's latest App Store changes, dodging more fines. Let's dive into this game changer. After a $570 million fine, Apple's new App Store rules could finally win EU approval. What's changing for devs and users? Stick around to find out. Apple has been in a heated battle with the EU over its App Store policies, facing a €500 million fine, about $570 million, in April 2025 for breaking the Digital Markets Act. The DMA pushes big tech to play fair, giving smaller devs more freedom with payments and app listings. Now it's been reported Apple's latest App Store updates, rolled out in June 2025, are likely to get the EU stamp of approval, possibly within weeks. What's new? Apple's easing up on restrictions, letting developers freely tell users about outside payment options like cheaper subscriptions off the App Store. They've also introduced new fees: an initial acquisition fee, store services fee, and core technology commission, balancing costs for devs. Posts on X are buzzing, with some devs praising the flexibility, while others say it's still a work in progress. Apple's still fighting that €500 million fine, arguing the EU's demands overstep, but these changes could keep regulators off their back for now. Why is this big? Apple's App Store tweaks could mean more choices for devs and savings for users, all while dodging hefty EU fines. It's a win for fairness in tech and sets the stage for a freer app market. Whether you're a developer or an iPhone user, this shakeup affects you. What do you think of Apple changes? Drop a comment. Are devs getting a fair deal? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.